In this video, I will demonstrate how to perform the percentile.inc function. Now this function computes the value that is associated with a defined percentile or percentile rank. So in this case, we have a series of scores, and this is systolic blood pressure that was measured on a group of individuals. And what we want to find out is the score associated with different percentiles. So we want to find out which systolic blood pressure measurement is associated with the 100th, 90th, 80th, and so forth. So what we need to do is you need to decide which percentiles that you want to find the score to be associated with it. So in this case, I have percentiles separated by tens, so the 90th, the 80th, 70th, and so forth. But you can enter in any percentiles that you're interested in finding. If you're just interested in finding the 90th, the 75th, and the 35th, then you enter those in. It's important when you enter these percentiles in, you also include the percent sign, not just the number value. So in order to perform this function, we need to place the cursor where we want our first output to be placed, or where we want the function result to be placed. We then click on the Formulas tab and click on Insert Function, and then we want to find the percentile.inc function. So we can do a search for that, or you might find it in your most recently used menu. So once we find it, we want to double click on it. And then first of all, the array entry box is going to be the data that we want to perform this function on. So we want to click the Ref Edit button, and then I want to highlight the column that contains, or columns that contains, my data. And I can either hit enter or click on the Ref Edit button again. K represents where I want which percentile that we're trying to have calculated. So we'll first do the 100th percentile. So I want to click the Ref Edit button and then highlight the 100th percentile box. Click the Ref Edit button again, and then we click OK. And we can see that the blood pressure reading associated with the 100th percentile on this range of data is 180. Now in order to do the other percentiles, we can simply copy and paste our formula. So I'm going to copy that formula and then paste it in the cells below it. And I want to make sure I paste the formula. And then as we can see now, here are the results for the different percentile ranks. So the 100th percentile is associated with a blood pressure of 180. The 50th is associated with a blood pressure of 135.5. And the 10th percentile is associated with a blood pressure of 113. So hopefully you've learned something from watching this video, and good luck using this technique on your own.